Welcome to the Gaiety School of Acting's YouTube channel. You are about to watch a scene that was taken from our 2023 production of Hamlet. We have selected a bunch of key scenes that we have broken down into bite-sized pieces with description and analysis for you to gain a better understanding of the play. I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Shakespeare resources. Gertrude, Claudius and Polonius want to find out whether Hamlet's madness is the effect of his love for Ophelia. They arrange an encounter between Ophelia and Hamlet. Claudius and Polonius decide to hide behind a curtain and wait for Hamlet to stumble upon Ophelia, who is walking around the castle halls. Before this encounter takes place, the audience witnesses Hamlet's most philosophical soliloquy in the entire play.
To be or not to be? That is the question. Whether it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, by opposing, end them. To die, to sleep, no more, and by a sleep to say we end the heartache and the thousand natural shocks the flesh is heir to. 'Tis a consummation devoutly to be wished.
To be or not to be? Hamlet's most well-known line. Most of you must have heard it somewhere at some point anyway. To live or to die? Hamlet's weighing out life against death. He questions whether all the miseries of life are worth living by enduring them or by coping with them by ending one's life altogether. Hamlet longs for death as he compares it to a deep sleep.
To die, to sleep perchance to dream. Ah, there's the rub. For in that sleep what dreams may come, when we have shuffled off this mortal coil, must give us pause. There's the respect of calamity of so long life. For who would bear the whips and scorns of time, the oppressor's wrong, the proud man's contumely, the pangs of despised love, the law's delays, the insolence of office, of patient merit of unworthy takes? When he himself might his quietus make with a bare bodkin, who would fardels bear to grunt and sweat under a weary life, but that the dread of something after death, the undiscovered country from whose bourne no traveller returns, puzzles the way, and makes us rather bear those ills we have than fly to others we know not of. Thus, conscience makes cowards.
Hamlet starts spiraling in his decision between life and suicide. His fear of death, the unknown, is what really stops him from taking action. What if the dreams in the sleep of death are much, much worse than all the miseries of life? According to Hamlet, fear and conscience are what make it impossible for human beings to take action, to make decisions. In the end, Hamlet's overthinking nature, his inability to take action, his inability to make decisions, is what really leads to the tragic end of the play. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shakespeare resources.